Hey guys, welcome to Lunchboxable. For today's video, we are doing easy snack boxes for kids. Perfect for playgrounds and picnics and meet up with friends. So let's start. Our first recipe is ham and cheese rolls. This is the classic one. We need only 3 ingredients: a can of biscuit, prosciutto or ham, and grated cheese. I try to make recipes with as little ingredients as possible. So, for this, you have to flatten the dough, 2 biscuits together, so we can get the length of our prosciutto, just like this. When this is done, add the ham, then the cheese, and roll it tightly, just like this. After that, you just have to slice 4 equal sizes to have pinwheels. Just like that, and then line them in a baking sheet. So while doing all this, you have to preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius. And then I changed my mind. I think that when they're in the oven, they're gonna be deformed. So I used a barbecue stick and stick them together so it will retain their rounded form. And after that, I just brush it with egg wash and pop in the oven for 10 minutes or until golden. That's it. So for our next recipe, we are using 4 biscuits, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. So just mix them thoroughly until it's spreadable. And then we just flatten the biscuit with a rolling pin. Spread the cinnamon mixture and roll it gently to form a log. So like that. And then it's just basically it. Continue doing this or repeat doing this for the remaining one, and while doing it, preheat the oven for 200 degrees Celsius again. And then once this is done, pop it in the oven for 12 minutes or until golden. I left mine for 11 minutes, so it's up to you if it's enough for you, if it's brown enough for you. For our next recipe, it's the easiest of them all. We just need Greek yogurt, some honey, berry mix, and granola or muesli. I used the Lunchbox Mini for this one because it's leak proof and it has enough compartments. I just basically transfer the Greek yogurt to the Lunchbox, topped it with some honey, and then I also put the muesli in the other side, so if my daughter is ready to eat it, she can just add it to the muesli, and then I just topped it with fruits, and that's it. Very easy. And then once I'm done with this, I'm gonna show you the shake test if the Lunchbox is really leak proof as what they claim it to be. So now let's put it to test. Shake, 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 and indeed, it's leak proof. It is contained in one compartment and perfect. So now let's make banana peanut butter wrap. So we just need a tortilla, 1 banana, and 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Just spread them in the tortilla, just like that, evenly. I like it a little bit thicker than this one, but it's up to you if you want it. And then I just have to roll it together tightly. Then I cut the edges, and the rest I have divided it to equal parts. I suggest to slice it bite-sized so it's easier for the kids to pick it or grab it and eat it. This snack is also present in our home all the time. Aside from my daughter, my husband and I love this too. So we need some salami pieces, cheese cubes and grapes, and some barbecue sticks or some skewers or a pretty pick. So just like that, stick them up one by one and you get a fun snack on a stick. Enjoy! Now for this one, we will make pizza pockets. It's very easy to make. We just need puff pastry, some pizza sauce, and grated cheese. This is very easy to make, and I always do this at home. So what you will do is just spread the sauce on the half of the dough and then cover it with grated cheese as much as you like. Fold the other side and press them together, and with a cookie cutter cut the dough to little dough pockets. I use the one actually for ravioli, but you can use anything. And since I am doing this, I already preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius again. And with this one, actually you can fill it with anything you like: ham, cheese, Nutella, jam. You can make this savory or you can make this sweet. So after doing this, I lined it in a baking sheet. Just keep them apart because they're gonna rise still while you bake them. So that's it actually. Wait until it's golden and it's ready. There you go. Overnight oats. I am sure you have heard of this already. This is basically just oats, milk of your choice, honey for sweetness, and some fruits. So all you have to do is mix everything together and leave it in the fridge overnight. So in the morning you can eat this for breakfast, or you can have it for snacks. So it's very easy and very healthy. And there you go. I actually added a tablespoon of chia seeds for that additional fiber. And then you can also use different kind of fruits. It's actually your choice. For our last snack recipe, this is also very easy. It's blueberry cream cheese rolled toast. It is just basically blueberry jam, cream cheese, and toast. Flatten the toast with a rolling pin, then spread CC and add jam on top. And then roll it together, and now you're done. Actually, this is also very good as French toast. I have tried this also, that you just dip it in the French toast mixture and fry it a little bit with butter, and this is perfect for breakfast, topped with powdered sugar. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will keep on visiting. Thanks for watching. Ciao.